Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to make egg muffins called GyeRanBbang in Korean. Whisk 2 large eggs in a mixing bowl until they get a little foamy. Add 1/3 cup of sugar and stir it until the sugar dissolves. Shift 3/4 cup of flour and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder into the egg mixture. Add half cup of melted salted butter and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well. Since the batter does not have any salt, it is important to use salted butter for flavor. The consistency will be like this. Put the batter in a quarter-sized zipper bag. This will make it easier to get the right amount of batter in the baking pan later. Zip the top tight. Obtain a large cupcake or muffin pan either with oval shapes like mine or round shapes. Brush the inside of the cupcake pan surface with melted butter evenly. Cut about 1/4 inch from the edge of the bag with scissors. Put about 1 or 2 tablespoons of batter to the bottom of each pan by squeezing the bag. Just make sure that the batter completely covers about 1/4 inch of the bottom surface, but do not make it too thick. Smooth the batter surface with a spoon. Break and place 1 small egg on top of each muffin. Sprinkle 1 generous pinch of salt onto each egg. Cover the egg with rest of the batter. Squeezing out the batter makes it easy to fill in the spaces evenly without breaking the egg. Leave a little bit of space for the muffins to rise on the top. If you make less than 8 muffins, you will have leftover batter. You can just pour the batter to the pan and bake it without the eggs. That is delicious too. It will be like cornbread crusted with hotcakes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Bake the muffins for about 25 minutes. The muffins will become golden brown. Turn off the oven and leave the muffins in the oven for 5 more minutes to finish cooking the eggs. Poke the center of the muffin with a toothpick all the way through to check if the egg is done cooking. If the toothpick comes out clean, it is done. The muffins taste better when they are still warm. If you don't want to eat them all at once, just cook however many you want to eat and cook the rest of them without putting eggs in them. The muffins without eggs taste delicious with maple syrup. Try someday. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.